Good evening and welcome back to another brand new video. We're on our way to Ongar train station for the Ongar Express train. So Christmas is officially starting now, and what a way to start it off by going on a steam train from Ongar to Epping and back again. So it runs on selective nights from now, November, all the way until January. And an adult ticket is £25 and a child is 20. So let's take a look. Let's get in the festive spirit. Right, and we've made it over to Epping railway station. And they've decorated all outside here. And you've got a steam train there. Check this out, this is pretty cool. Let's have a look, they've done it all the way down. We've got the track there. Christmas has officially started. And it's absolutely freezing tonight. I didn't realise how cold it was. So I do think we can get some hot chocolate to warm up the cockles, because it's freezing. Ah, look at little reindeers there. Never seen a tiny one like that before. I'm the Grinch. The Grinch is here. There he is. The old Grinch. Make sure you're behaving, children. Otherwise he will take away your toys. And Santa does not take a helicopter. He's on a sleigh, okay? He's on a sleigh. Wow, what's that? Oh, that must be part of the carriage, possibly. There's another Grinch there too. We've got Santa waving from the window. So we've got like a little museum here as well, with all the old steam trains. I don't think I've ever been on a steam train, you know. It's going to be pretty cool to check out first time. Steam and buttercups. Some old magazines as well. And a VHS. Perfect. Oh, here we go. Check this out. So they did give us a wristband when we enter. I do believe it lights up once we're on the train and the Christmas songs are playing. Ongar. This is a proper old style train station. The last train Epping to Ongar, 1865 to 1994. Oh, having a mulled wine and nice hot chocolate with cream and marshmallows does the trick. Geez, nearly choked on a marshmallow.
If you do book early, there is a 20% discount online at the moment. So
oh, beautiful.
Railway,
check this out, look.
On the first page, on the home page,
they've pretty much lighted up the whole platform.
So do check it out.
And there's some old carriages here as well. Look at this. All these abandoned trains, carriages. Oh Jesus, that's someone sitting there. Oh my goodness. I nearly had an heart attack. Now that's freaky. This is stunning though. So it looks like you can, if you do come with a pram, it looks like you can leave it on the platform and collect it after, which is a bonus if you're coming with little ones. Oh my goodness. Here it comes. Look at the steam that's giving off. Wow.
Picks you up and takes you there.
It's actually so nice to see all the drivers and the staff in uniform and that. It looks pretty cool. I'm excited to get on. Alright, we're boarding. Oh my God.
So I have been given the all clear. If you do want to board the train, you can.
Look at this. I've gone back to the 90s.
If you're a private compartment on your tickets, if it does say a carriage name, but only because the carriage name will be
Very little Christmas.
and once you're on that carriage,
This is stunning. Look at the chairs, the tables. I'm spoiled for choice to where to sit.
And then right down the other end of the platform, we've also got spruce.
Let's sit here. Number 12. This is incredible. It's got some windows in it, doesn't it? Yeah, we can open up the windows as well. The windows work. These chairs are super comfy. So it's an hour ride from Epping onward to Epping and then back again. So it's an hour ride non-stop, and there's no toilets on the train. So do use the facilities here before you board. Guess the movie. Right, so they did give us a wristband before we entered and scanned our ticket, and this is going to light up at some point. And I'm interested to know whether it lights up with the music playing. So we'll see.
We wait for the train to depart. Please make sure you're wearing your wristbands.
Here we go.
The plastic tag is removed and that they are switched on. You can change the colour of these manually if you
Switch
wish
them on.
by pressing the button. But once we get going, I will be taking control of them. If you
here we
have any
go.
problems
We've got
with
it on.
your wristband, you can reset them by inserting and removing the plastic
Change the
tag.
colour?
Failing that, please speak to one of our
Right, we've
train
got blue.
staff.
We've got blue.
Oh, and I'd just like to remind you that these are not children's toys, and children should be supervised at all times with them. Thank you.
Right, I think we're ready to go. Right, I think we've got the all clear. We're ready.
They pick up going that way and then they get more likely going.
And we're off.
There, make some noise and give me a
Yay!
big festive cheer.
Woohoo!
Now we're talking. Do you know it's been 200
Right, there's some
years
old,
since the birth of the modern railway, and I'm so
Dracula
excited
Castle.
to be the voice welcoming you on the most incredible flashy light musical train. And the lights are flashing on the inside.
Wow, so
Now,
the trees are
I just
lighting
need you to wave your magic wristbands in the air on the count of 3 and cheer Merry Christmas.
Here we go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas!
Excellent, excellent. Now I know you're ready, and it's enough yet. So when I shout steam, I want you to shout train. Okay, here we go. Steam,
Train!
steam,
Train!
steam.
Train!
Brilliant, brilliant. But enough of that. Back to my DJ mix, and don't be afraid to sing along now. Let's have some fun.
Quickly show you guys an inside cabin, so you can pay extra for this, and this is insane. I feel like I'm in an Harry Potter film.
Well, here we are, about to pass through North Weald Station. During our normal running days, this is a great stop to hop off and have a ride on one of our many vintage buses. But I do love trains, you know. So much so, I bought my son a train set one year for Christmas. Yes, but my wife kept telling me off for playing with it myself too much. So I promised her I would stop, and then one night she almost caught me. So I threw a bed sheet over it, you know, to cover my tracks. Pay attention to your wristbands.
Oh, here we go.
I'm now going to flash them in different colours. When they start flashing blue, I want you to stamp your feet lots. Yellow, clap as loud as you can, and white, I want to hear your best whoop whoop.
Oh,
So
God.
that's blue stamp, yellow clap, white whoop whoop. Okay,
Here we go.
here we go.
Clap, clap. Woohoo! Oh, we're clapping again. Yellow's clapping. Woohoo! Now, what's blue stamping? Yellow's clapping.
Yes.
Oh,
amazing
it's like that
work.
game. Pop it, twist
So,
it.
let's now test your vocal talents,
Oh, here
as
we
it's
go.
now what I like to call flashy okie time. Okay, I'm going to break you into two groups now by use of your wristbands. One group will now be yellow and the other will be pink. In
Oh,
a
pink.
moment, I'll
We're
play the
pink.
music for Santa Claus is Coming to Town. You will have been given the lyrics on your way in today. As you will see, some lyrics are highlighted in pink and some are in yellow. So, if you have a pink wristband, you sing the pink lyrics, and if you have a yellow wristband, you sing the yellow lyrics. It's that easy. Then we all sing together the white lyrics. So, let me check you're in high vocal spirits. Yellow team, after the count of 3, give me a whoop whoop. Okay?
Oh, right, he's gonna talk us through it.
1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now, pink team, after
We're pink.
3, give me an oi oi. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Excellent work. So, here we go. Let's see how loud you can sing. Are you ready? I said, are you ready?
yes, we are.
Okay,
Oh.
I think you're ready now. So let's do this. I want to hear you sing as loud as you can, okay?
Dum 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 dum. It's coming to town. Right, we've stopped, so we must be ahead of schedule. Jeez, the amount of lights it lights up in the forest. Santa? We've come into a booth. No one was in here, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick look. And yeah, I feel like I'm in the Harry Potter movies, but these chairs are so comfortable. I reckon you could probably fit at least 8 people in this carriage, I reckon. Easily. And it's got some underfloor heating too, which is beautiful on the legs.
Okay, well, that's enough for me for now. I'll leave you with the music while we get ready to depart. So please enjoy the light show on the trees.
Oh, there's a light show on the trees. Let's have a look. Was it Home Alone 2, isn't it? Lost in New York, where he's running to his uncle's house ready to set up the biggest traps ever. What a Christmas film that is, though.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been the Epping Ongar Lights Express train. All the staff and volunteers, including myself here at the railway, hope you had a marvellous time on our magical train ride.
How cool was that? Right, so just got off the Ongar Express. What a fun night that was. First time ever doing a steam train. And to see all the thick smoke and to hear the sound of a steam train is incredible. And it was all nicely decorated up in there. You got open area seatings, or you could pay extra for cabins. But great fun. So if you are in the area, do check them out. You can book your tickets online. Like I say, there is selective days they do and at different times. So check them out. Come down and give them a go. Great fun. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. And I'll see you guys real soon.